Tired of household chores feeling like a never-ending battle? Get ready to transform your living space without breaking the bank. These cheap and clever Amazon gadgets will make daily tasks a breeze, bringing comfort and convenience right to your home. You can find all the product links in the description below. Door handles don't have to be cold, loud, or risky for kids. These soft silicone covers slip over flat levers to protect little fingers, cushion impact, and block static shocks. The built-in suction cup keeps the door from slamming into walls too. No tools, no fuss, just press, adjust, and it's done. Easy to clean, reusable, and perfect for families or modern minimalists. Grabbing a hot skillet? Not today. These flexible silicone sleeves slide right over pot and pan handles to protect your hands from burns. They grip tight, resist slipping, and automatically adjust to fit all kinds of weird handle shapes. No tools, no guesswork. Just pull, wrap, and you're safe to sizzle. Easy to clean, easy to store, and a kitchen must-have if you've ever yelled ouch at dinner. Tired of guessing what's in that mystery container? This pocket-sized label maker connects to your phone and prints custom stickers in seconds. No ink, no mess. Just pick a template, type what you need, and tap print. It handles everything from name tags and kitchen jars to school supplies and cords. Compact, rechargeable, and packed with fonts, icons, and fun frames. Organization just got a serious upgrade. Changing sheets shouldn't feel like a full-body workout. This smart tool lifts the mattress just enough so you can tuck in corners, smooth out wrinkles, or swap out skirts without straining your back or smashing your fingers. The wedge slides in easily and holds the mattress up while you work. One hand free, one job done. It's simple, sturdy, and makes bed-making way less of a chore. Stuck jar lids are no match for this clever little helper. Mounted under your cabinet, it grips tight with hidden steel teeth, so all you do is twist. No strength, no strain. Works on jars big and small, and it's especially handy for seniors or anyone with wrist pain. It stays out of sight, but always ready. A simple tool that makes your kitchen way easier to love. Balancing on one leg in the shower? No thanks. This foldable footrest gives you the perfect boost for shaving, scrubbing, or tying up those travel shoes. It sticks securely to smooth walls with a powerful vacuum suction. No drilling, no tools. Just press it, lock it, and you're good to go. Compact, portable, and way easier on your back and balance. Salt, sugar, spices. Finally, a stylish way to store them all. These clear glass containers keep everything fresh with airtight lids and built-in retractable spoons, so you never have to hunt for one. The wide mouths make scooping and cleaning super easy. They're perfect for everyday use, but pretty enough to leave on the counter. Organized, elegant, and ready for your favorite flavors. Lighting that feels more like a game controller? Yes, please. This joystick-style lamp flips between two brightness levels with a simple push, soft for winding down, bright for reading or getting stuff done. It runs on a rechargeable battery, mounts to the wall or sits on a table, and charges by USB. Great for bedrooms, nurseries, or even camping. Fun to use, easy to love. Need tape but only have one hand free? This clever dispenser's got you covered. Just press the lever and it auto-feeds and cuts the tape. No batteries, no scissors, no hassle. The hidden blade stays safely out of reach, so even kids can use it. Perfect for wrapping, packing, or classroom crafts. Lightweight, portable, and way faster than fumbling with a roll. Pet hair doesn't stand a chance. This compact lint roller is extra sticky, washable, and built to handle fur, crumbs, and random fuzz. No waste, no refills needed. Just rinse it under water, let it dry, and it's good as new. The ergonomic shape makes it comfy to hold, and it's small enough to toss in your bag or car. Clean clothes anytime, anywhere, without the mess. Who knew a light socket could do all this? This genius ceiling fan screws in like a bulb, but cools your room and lights it up, all in one. You get 3 fan speeds, 3 light settings, and even color options, all controlled by remote. Want just the fan? Just the light? No problem. It's perfect for bedrooms, workspaces, or anywhere you need more breeze and brightness. Wet boots? Not a problem. This smart dryer blasts warm air deep into your shoes or gloves, drying them out in just a couple of hours. The bendable ports stretch right into tall boots, and the fold-out rack handles anything from sneakers to ski gloves. Set the built-in timer and forget it. No overheating, no guesswork. Compact, quiet, and ready to fight soggy gear all year round. Does what 3 usually can't. It's a phone grip, a wireless charger, and a detachable remote, all packed into a sleek, snap-on design. Whether you're snapping photos or shooting video, the built-in power bank keeps your phone going, while the remote lets you capture shots from up to 10 meters away. Flip it into a stand to review your shots hands-free. It's made for your iPhone and made for action. Running out of space to hang your kitchen tools? This rotating hook rack sticks to smooth surfaces and holds your essentials right where you need them. No screws, no damage, just a strong suction cup that locks in place and swivels 360 degrees. 6 hooks spin smoothly so you can grab what you need fast. It's waterproof, reusable, and blends in with any kitchen or bathroom setup. Worried about someone barging in while you sleep? This portable door lock adds instant peace of mind. No tools, no damage, and no drilling required. Just slide it in, and your door becomes a fortress from the inside. It's small enough to toss in a bag, but strong enough to stop unwanted entry. Whether at home, a hotel, or a dorm, you've got backup security in your pocket. Tired of digging around in dark cabinets? These tiny hinge lights turn on automatically the moment you open the door. Just clip one onto the hinge, and boom, instant brightness without flipping a switch. They're small, smart, and super easy to install in just minutes. Great for closets, cupboards, or wardrobes. No more flashlight fumbling, just open, grab, and go. Scrubbing the grime off your kitchen or bathroom shouldn't feel like a workout. This clever cleaning tool makes the job faster, easier, and way less gross. It's got a comfy grip, comes with a mountain of disposable mop pads, and wipes down everything from glass to toilets without breaking a sweat. Just press, swipe, toss. It's lightweight, mess-free, and surprisingly satisfying to use. One outlet just isn't enough these days. This ultra-thin wall extender gives you 3, without the bulky mess. It swivels 180 degrees, so you can angle it just right and keep everything flush against the wall. Perfect for travel or tight spaces where every inch counts. Lightweight, foldable, and ready to power all your must-haves in one sleek move. Picking out a tie shouldn't feel like rummaging through a drawer. This motorized tie rack rotates at the push of a button, giving you a smooth, organized view of up to 72 ties and 8 belts. It installs easily on rods or wire shelving, no tools needed, and even lights up with built-in LEDs so you're never searching in the dark. It's sleek, compact, and makes mornings feel a little more put together. No wires, no hassle. Just light exactly where you need it. These cordless wall lights snap on with magnets and rotate 360 degrees, so you can aim the glow in any direction. Use the remote, or just tap to switch between cozy, warm, soft, neutral, or bright white light. They're dimmable too, making them perfect for bedtime reads or work from bed days. And with built-in rechargeable batteries, you won't be hunting for plugs anytime soon. Dry your clothes without taking over your whole space. This foldable portable dryer is perfect for apartments, RVs, or quick laundry days when you've only got a few items. It uses warm air and a built-in UV light to dry and refresh clothes fast, sometimes in just 20 minutes. Quiet enough to run anytime, and the timer lets you walk away worry-free. Lightweight, compact, and way more efficient than air drying. Turn your shower into a full-body spa and a power washer in one. This handheld shower head boosts water pressure through tiny nozzles that deliver a strong, steady spray, perfect for tired muscles, messy pets, or rinsing down tiles. It's got 4 spray modes, a one-touch stop button, and built-in filtration that softens hard water to protect your skin and hair. Easy to install, fun to use, and seriously effective. Some messes hide in the most annoying corners, but not for long. This bendable crevice brush slips into tight spaces and curves around tricky angles to wipe out dust, grime, and buildup in seconds. From bathroom tiles to car vents to behind your kitchen faucet, it's built for the spots other brushes miss. The stiff bristles scrub deep but stay gentle on surfaces. It's compact, durable, and oddly satisfying to use. Say goodbye to bulky colanders and awkward pot juggling. This silicone clip-on strainer latches onto almost any pot or pan, letting you drain water with one hand. No extra dish needed. It's flexible, heat-resistant, and strong enough to stay put even with a full pot of pasta. When you're done, it rinses clean and slips right into a drawer. Small, smart, and super handy for everyday cooking. Wrinkled clothes on vacation? Not anymore. This foldable travel steamer heats up in seconds and smooths out shirts, pants, and dresses without needing a bulky ironing board. Just tap the smart LED display to switch modes and handle any fabric with ease. It's compact, lightweight, and even comes with a glove for safe steaming. Fits in your bag, fights wrinkles anywhere.